Hi guys, you are welcome again to Man's Organic Beauty World. If you are new here, you are so welcome and a big hug to you. And without taking much of our time, today's video is basically on how to get rid of acne scars using just 2 ingredients. And if you want to know those ingredients, do not go anywhere. Watch this video from the beginning to the end and you will not regret you did. If you are new here, kindly press the subscribe button, turn on the notification icon for you to get notified anytime I uploaded a new video like this. So let's dive into the video.